Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best in fitness equipment and workout tips to help you achieve your goals. Today, we have something special in store for you as we dive into the world of folding weight benches. If you're looking for a versatile and space-saving solution for your home gym, you've come to the right place. We've scoured the market to find the best folding weight benches, and in this video, we'll be sharing our top picks that will revolutionize your workout routine. From compact designs to adjustable features, these benches offer the perfect combination of functionality and convenience. So, if you're ready to take your fitness journey to the next level, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of fitness enthusiasts. Let's jump right in and discover the ultimate folding weight benches that will elevate your workouts to new heights. Number 1. Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench. We'll start our list with one of the top-rated weight benches by Flybird, a company that's been at the forefront of fitness equipment for the past 2 decades. This weight bench features a thick steel frame that is tested to endure extreme loads of up to nearly 800 pounds. With its 3 seating positions and 7 backrest reclining positions, you can find the perfect posture and balance while you're completing your reps. Whether you're seated or lying at a 180-degree angle, the slip-free leather cushion will keep your stance secure. Compact and foldable, to store simply stow it away in your closet or slide it under your bed. This bench saves you up to 80% of space when folded, an impressive feature that makes this our best overall choice. Number 2. PASIU Weight Bench. For someone who's just getting into weightlifting and improving their fitness routine, the PASIU Weight Bench is the perfect beginner's choice. While the sturdy steel construction offers 496 pounds of weight capacity on top, the unique triangle design keeps the bench stable while you're working your way through your rounds. Featuring 7 backrest reclining positions with back, waist, and neck protection, this handy weight bench is designed to support all sorts of workouts. Plus, you don't have to worry about instability, discomfort, or developing muscle fatigue because this adjustable weight bench is padded in all the right places to make your workout routine comfortable and doable. Number 3. Linode Foldable Weight Bench. If you're working within a budget, the Linode Foldable Weight Bench is an affordable, quality weight bench. Just because it's affordable doesn't mean you have to compromise on safety and comfort. This weight bench offers multiple reclining positions along with 661 pounds of weight support, which will adequately support your growing workout needs, whether you're building your pecs, arms, or delts. This elegant weight bench fits nicely into the corner of any room, but if you'd like to store it, it's compact enough to slide under the bed when folded. Plus, since the bench weighs a little over 17 pounds, you won't need a second hand to move this bench around. What's more, the quality embossed leather allows you to work out in safety and comfort with no chance of slipping or sliding under sweaty conditions. Number 4. Barwing Workout Bench. No one builds home fitness equipment better than Barwing, a specialist and leader in the field. Unlike other options on the list, the Barwing weight bench supports complete body adjustability from seat and backrest to leg bar adaptability, allowing you to customize the bench according to the type of exercise. Plus, the extra 2 handles on top let you perform the dragon flag, an advanced move. 7 seat position adjustments. 4 and 3 leg hold bar position adjustments. With so many posture adjustments, plus the attached workout chart poster, you can do various workouts with the bench press. Barwing's 10-7-4-3 exercise bench allows you to exercise more freely and comfortably, burn your calories and train your muscles as much as you like. Built with 2022 upgrade heavy-duty commercial quality steel and unique triangular support structure, a wider base, it will ensure the safety of users while making the product life more durable. At the same time, it also means that the product is more stable and will not shake easily. What's more, this bench's premium quality steel coupled with a triangular frame features a wider base to support a maximum of 793 pounds. Although the foldable design is convenient for storage, it outranks others in portability with the help of transport wheels. Number 5. Lusper Folding Weight Bench. Upgrade your home gym with the Lusper Folding Weight Bench. This strong folding weight bench is constructed of sturdy steel and can hold up to 660 pounds, making it super durable for any type of exercise. The professionally designed solid triangle shape is an ergonomic fit for anyone to sit on properly. The extra long headrest provides support and comfort as you strain on that last rep. The curvy backrest supports your spine, which allows you to maintain correct posture while lifting weights, so you don't need spotting and you won't hurt yourself. The high-density foam pad of the backrest, headrest, and seat allows for maximum comfort and breathability while working out. Covering the foam is a high-quality, luxury water-resistant PU leather that will wick away sweat and grime to give you a peaceful workout experience without worrying about cleaning it every time. Speaking of cleaning, all you have to do is wipe it down and you're good to go. Fold it up in under 4 seconds to store it in a closet or move it out of the way for some yoga or Rumba classes.